Cheating wife, Supari killers, and a murder. The sordid saga of Sonam Bewafa continues to unravel with shocking revelations coming to the fore. What began as a picture-perfect wedding has now turned into a chilling crime scene. Sonam has been arrested and taken into 72-hour transit remand by the Meghalaya police. Shillong police will take Sonam from Patna to Kolkata. From Kolkata, Sonam will be taken to Guwahati and post that to Shillong. As the probe intensifies, police have uncovered a dark and deliberate murder conspiracy. It is known that wife Sonam allegedly colluded with her lover Raj Kushwaha, an employee at her father's factory, and orchestrated Raja's murder while on honeymoon. Slain victim Raja's autopsy report reveals that he suffered 2 sharp weapon wounds on his head and died due to excessive bleeding. Meanwhile, her lover, Raj Kushwaha, along with other 3 Supari killers allegedly hired for killing Raja, have also been arrested and sent to 7-day transit remand. Now, all the accused will be taken to Shillong for further investigation.
ज्ञानेंद्र, रात भर में कैसा रहा सफर? क्या कुछ खाने के लिए मांगा था कि रास्ते में कहीं कुछ ऐसी डिमांड की गई हो?
नहीं सर।
है? क्या खाया, क्या पिया?
कुछ नहीं हो खाई।
वो लोग खाने का इंतजाम तो किए थे ना शिलोंग पुलिस? है? अच्छा, कितने लोग हैं शिलोंग पुलिस से आपके साथ? कितने लोग हैं शिलोंग पुलिस?
4 लोग हैं।
4 लोग। और ये सोनम? जी, सोनम ने रास्ते में कुछ नहीं, कोई बातचीत वगैरह नहीं की है?
नहीं।
है? क्या सो पाई कि नहीं सो पाई कि ऐसे ही बैठी रही?
आँख बंद था तो क्या देखे।
अच्छा, और खाने पीने का क्या किया? खाने वाने के लिए रात में खाने के लिए कह तो रही थी कि ये लोग खाना पूछे थे उसको कि नहीं पूछे हैं? पूछे हैं तो क्या बोली?
नहीं खाएंगे।
तो ये ज्ञानेंद्र, रात भर सफर करने के बाद ये कहा गया कि सोनम से रात भर में पूछा गया और ये कुछ कपड़े हैं, ये लोग डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं और कपड़े हैं, बैग है शिलोंग पुलिस का जो है इनके पास।
सोनम को हम बचपने से जानते हैं।
कैसी लड़की थी?
नहीं, लड़की तो देखो गली के हिसाब से तो हमको डाउट ही अभी भी नहीं हो रहा है डाउट की मतलब ऐसी लड़की होगी। बाकी आप सुन रहे हैं तो वो सही है, सही तो सही होता है। तो आज भी जैसे राज कुशवाहा होगा कोई। बाकी आज मैंने देखा तो वो ये निकला, वो आता था, देखा हमने। और जिसको जो डेड बॉडी आई थी मेघालय से राजा की, तो वो गाड़ी चला के वही ले गया, तो गाड़ी में बैठ के गया था मैं शमशान।
And my colleague Amritanshi Joshi is now joining us with more details on the story. Amritanshi, Sonam is currently in Patna, from where she will be taken to Kolkata, then Guwahati, and then eventually to Shillong. But why is so? Like, why is she not being taken directly to Shillong?
So right now, because Sonam is like traveling and they are taking her to Shillong, they have reached Patna, and after Patna, she from the flight she'll be taken to Shillong. Apart from that, also all the 4 accused who have been arrested, specifically from Madhya Pradesh, 3 of them have been arrested. One is the Raj Kushwaha, who is allegedly the lover of Sonam Raghuvanshi. Apart from that, 2 more accused, one named Anand and one more will also be taken to Shillong, because one of the accused named Anand, he was arrested by Bina in Madhya Pradesh. He was not able to reach Indore yesterday at night. Today in early morning they have brought Anand to Indore, though Meghalaya police has only brought him to Indore. They have reached, all of the accused have reached Indore, and now they will also be taken to Shillong, because it was taking time now from Ghazipur they are taking Sonam. Now they have reached Patna. By flight they will fly to Shillong, and then interrogation will start. From here also they can take a direct flight from Indore to Shillong, or they can also go to somewhere other airport, and they will take a flight to Shillong. And after that, when all of the accused will reach to Shillong, they will be interrogated. They will be interrogated separately. They will be interrogated together, because till now Sonam is not accepting. Sonam is not in a state to say anything. She is not accepted. She is saying that she was abducted and she was brought to Ghazipur.
All right, Amritanshi, do stay with us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. We're